Hey guys, this is a quick video to talk to you about the custom objects. It is out for testing, but it's only available for a small number of beta testing group. So if you don't find it, do not panic. Do not reach out to Sean or anyone asking for custom objects. This is just for the testing purposes only. So here I'm going to give you a quick first look on custom objects. And you can see here there's a new tab called custom objects. And you can create custom objects by clicking here, and you can give a name for the custom objects. Here in this case it's a car, example is a car, and when you have more than one custom objects, for example you are storing more cars, for example you're storing more details, for example if you're storing details of more than one cars, you need a plural for that. So for that you need to give a plural for the custom object. Again, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's here in this example it would be cars, or if it's a student or students, or if it's patients, like that. And then this is where you give the primary display field name, which is, for example, it could be student name, it could be the car name, or a patient name, and so on. So as of now, you only have single line text field as the data type. So it would be a string, not a number, but you can also store a number on the string. You already know that. And then here you can select an icon to show in your dashboard. Here you give a description for the object that you're creating. And once you're done, you can either create an object, or you can also go and create a custom field for that object. Creating custom field is pretty straightforward. It's pretty similar to how you create a custom field in GoHighLevel. So I'll just give you an example which I have already created here. I have created a student custom object and a cars custom object. So here, if I go here and edit, you can see the name of the custom object is student. I can change that. I can change the plural also, but I cannot change the primary display field name once I set it. This is the current version. It can change later, but usually custom object needs one identifying field, so it has to be the same. So I believe this is going to be the same in future as well. And then you can update your custom object description as well. So that's that. And then you can go either here to add a custom field. Just like I told you earlier, it's pretty similar. All you have to do is create a field here, select whatever data type you want, and then click next and give a name to this data field. So let's say registration number is the name of the field. Now you can select which object this field belongs to, and it can be either contact, opportunity, student, or car. Student and car are the new custom object that we created. Contact and opportunity are the object that GoHighLevel already has. So in this case, registration number is for the car. You select that, and then you can put that info under car info group and click save. And you have created a new custom field under the custom object. So let's go to the main dashboard, and you can see here there are two new tabs, students and cars. Now all the details related to the students would be under this tab, just like opportunities, and all the details related to the cars will be under this tab. So let's go into cars, and I have one car already created, and now you can see registration number is also added here. And if I click on this car, and if I go here, I can add a registration number, and I can click save. This will get added. Now, whenever you want to create a new car object, like if you click here to add a new car details, you click here, maybe it's a Tesla, and save, and that car gets saved here with all the custom fields that we specified. And you can click here and add all the details. Like I said earlier, this is the first version, and this is not completely usable straight out of the box just yet. But this is just the beginning, and we have to start from somewhere. So this looks great to create a custom object. It's pretty straightforward to create a custom object, and next would be associating a custom object with other objects. If you want to know more about custom objects, what it is and all that, please check out the previous video. I'll link it here. Currently, all you can do is click on this custom object. You can add an owner or a follower for this specific record. So a lot of use cases cannot be found out right now. Like I said, it's still the first version straight out of the box. So in short, it's not really useful just yet. we have to wait. And once we do more testing and we add more features into it, it will be a great feature to have. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But that's all we have for now. We can't really do much more than creating a custom object and adding custom fields. So we will see how this turns out in the coming days. I'll update you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.